Patrol FBI, girl, you or our friend Adroti. Girl, you also a friend Adroti. Also, I would choose. I love to date fraud boys.
Okay, into
me I showed on you fraud boys bear 3. One friend and I won't be sending questions.
And the baby boy host is here.
One be sending answer donation. One be sending baby on your scanning fee.
And the baby boy home through FBI or cancel back.
Oh yeah, I can fast I'm a paradise. This girl puts paradise in trouble.
Me, I like scammers because he doesn't stress. He's always in his house.
No, that's your type. Okay, you said you like scammers, right?
I don't like
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.
Power on. 16.
Yeah, American FBI nya.
Yes, this is the American FBI.
I say mpacho wambre isle gona ye guys bi wo ha wa champagne wo ho.
Almost champagne, almost ye dey on panas wo.
So what's the more town to worry gwan worry dodge.
Oh, omu dwane.
Yeah.
And the fina ye bebe o.
Hey.
Ana.
It's fraud boys are what isle gon pan sisi e ho ina omada.
Omobeda.
PKB.
Yo, DJ Paco Rich.
I say, how to be a Paco Rich Studios. Now, I say, you come here show, Town Make Hot.
Town Make Hot.
Come here, show.
Shit didn't so shit.
I sat CC Eric say, show be our town, a friend there. A chairman, another chairman, another both students, Obo Drawalai, CCR, because you were FBI, what town. Ne Jumeza wa ba wori bezinano ya show already watch wa pick binoma up.
Over 15 boys.
15 boys so. And they are still picking. At 79 there, 77. What the internet ne real sika war American. What's a gun on what reals of American? What boom kwafu want to crow American. Inti asa na Erika say, while it separates the boys from the men. What a chawana. Was sika no ye clean in a was sika no so no ha bofin inti case day town but PK be honest if you come now your urban air content into our more fillers watch interior minister and minister of defense where yin kofu ya was say one so one for one call one for one call PK what they happen for town.
So what they happen to see wire fraud, of course, 4 Ghanaians, Isaac Odru Boateng, Inusa Ahmed, Derek Van Yeboah and Patrick Kwame Asari to be extradited to the USA to face criminal charges over allegations of internet fraud. Alleged internet fraud. And it involves $100 million. $1 million. Bako 100.
Sika.
Nenye nipa bako. Omodoso. But so far popular names Wall Street I actually that. Eye Kofi Boat. And Dada Joe remix. The other boys there be only look too popular but.
And to see I was equal East Legona in who flashy cars so. Chairman boys in our for Uber.
Why park cars in?
See.
Yeah. Rolls Royce Nazi.
Every day for Tifo.
One day for Master.
Nah, what you so there? It been more how won't be someone as some. But them now come social media they explain.
You go they explain. You go they explain.
Everything young queen area. Everything young queen area. Everything young queen area. Mene one why kaka. So I can force it call.
When they why kaka. So come for a call.
Hey,
move.
Chroma show.
Why show up?
It's your sawa say, oh boy, be a ho. Nessa sebi in you nedrumo ye pan and they be ought to come on.
Oh, they be
start today be a question, very legitimate question there. Yeah, way. Another was will be a promise that a busian done an or about drama. Or the roofing sheets would do not in human source of money. Start today be because. Damazi mikita wo kroma he men kote na menye FBI nwo nkita muzi once One with there spend on this since ye a kajina kebab will not to more than 3. Net ye is legal boy.
Suspect.
Net say cyber track ma. Kofi Kinata back at your informats. Because I say, ya bre. Wait it here, Konda. Hey, what it be money? We dey take champagne to wash our hands. Since you been in today, me a first what you was wrong with the phone today. Back at them there, a block holder. It will come here, Benina. It's in there, could draw come out now and talk say I be block holder. Since you are come hope you and your block holder be nobody be block holder again.
Nobody be block holder.
So then will be a block holder. So on your block, woman, me block holder. But cano qual.
Hey.
What's his other bro by so bien to moon? In Radan, more time as soon. Sike Muti one may be into our bachelor. Why should I be sad? Extradict to China worry to woman. Was what I call America. Anyway, yes, someone. If you are up visa, what fair ball. This is the opportunity to get to America. I quite watch overall orange. Mama, why doing you there? What's okay? Dreamer of factory prison. What's a koto? Na so China. Esha zay pino. One my Ghana needs in a one so. Now fraud in some doors. We gotta pick up. I don't know if you get more fillers, you go drop out.
And the fillers they know with that. So right now I be like the boys there.
So then they just their Twitter they explain themselves.
Right now the Twitter they catch fire. Twitter they jet down.
They explain themselves.
Fraud the trend, Abu Trika the trend, Shatawale the trend, Medica the trend, Hajia the trend, fraud. The word fraud itself the trend. And so Charlie, you know, people they link up people to people with the associations.
Linking.
Yeah, linking. Like Kofi Boat linking Shatta. You know, they say then they're good friends before. Allegedly, good friends before. You know, Charlie, things Charlie. The internet top make hot.
ISO.
Too hot.
ISO.
And it be crazy. But you see, the girls to the boys, some they talk say they for pick the girls on because even like the girls more enjoy the money pass.
Yeah, when I was been one chill one. Yeah, those way and chop with them, they for carry them along.
Because some of the girls, then if you hit them at chest, you say he go pick fraud boy.
You be fraud boy.
Over.
No. Say Adreti kind of massive.
Yeah.
But patro FBI, give you or our friend Adreti. Give you also a friend Adreti. Also, I would choose. I love to date fraud boys.
Okay, into
me I showed on you fraud boy is better 3. One friend and I won't be sending questions.
And the baby boy ra host is here.
One be sending. I say your donation. One be sending baby on your scanning fee.
And the baby boy ra home through FBI or cancel back.
Oh yeah, I can fast I'm a paradise. So. This girl puts paradise in trouble.
Charlie.
Adreti, how can you say you love to date fraud boys?
Oh, and in Pell, right now, Charlie.
Yes, no find happy what they
Charlie, right now, clean dates in the big man. So what the FBI they do, low-key boys make up you. Yeah, because you see, you go to work with your girl, we go see somebody just go pick up.
Actually, simple.
They take and they give them 5K. Charlie, the money that they wire for him. Charlie, you go take you like 6 months to work.
He had to
give her that money. So the clean job there, the boys tired.
All right, FBI, please do your work. In case you want somebody to help you, bring you water, make sure that you are comfortable in the process of doing your work. Man, I've lived in New York City for so many years.
Yeah.
And I think, man, I'm there for you guys. So FBI, you and I are guys. Yeah. You be my guy.
We did for you.
Please do the work. Do the work well. Yeah, and I see a baby free now.
Yes.
You know, we all go there the same like, you know, yeah. But come watch something there. A black man is happy when his fellow black man was supporting now. When you we are out of here.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.